So good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. Today is a very good day. We are starting the vlog and this is our well. In each Parsi colony you will see a well like this. We pray to the water. It is a good omen to start a good journey with some good prayers and good blessings. So with that, welcome back to the channel guys. I hope you guys are doing great. All of you are healthy and fine. Uh, the main motto of the vlog today is to do an unboxing of a box that has come to me from Bay City Speed Shop. Uh, Great people extended good support to me, and without further ado, let's go home and let's unbox the box. So guys, welcome back. As promised, हम लोग ये unbox करने वाले हैं. So box में क्या है ये मुझे भी नहीं पता. I'm going to unbox it with you guys. So before I unbox it, I like to thank Bay City Speed Shop, which is in Marine Lines. Thank you so much guys for lending me my support for the servicing of my bike, sending me beautiful products. I have still to find out what products you have sent, but thank you so much for supporting me in my ventures. आप लोगों को तो पता ही है that I am planning a ride to northeast, which is Assam. So basically the plan is to go there and visit my extended family. Yes, I have an extended family in Assam, and they are a beautiful family. I'll go visit them, I think after maybe 3.5, 4 years. I know it's been a long time, but what better than to explore it on my motorbike. सो क्वेश्चन मैंने कुछ दिन पहले पूछा था इंस्टाग्राम पे कि क्या होने वाला है. आई मीन वेदर वी शुड यूज़ सेमी सिंथेटिक और फुल्ली सिंथेटिक. सो Bay City Speed Shop has sent the answer. Let's find out what is in the box. So let's see what Bay City Speed Shop has sent. Where is the knife? मेरा trusty Stanley multi-tool. It helps me unbox a lot of presents and gifts that come to me. Solid packing किया है Bay City Speed Shop ने. So let's see what is inside the box. Packing is very good. There are some protection elastics. So I've got the chain spray, DX chain spray. I have got the tech chain ceramics chain wax non-fling formula. Great. सब अच्छी चीज़ें मिली है. Thank you Bay City Speed Shop. ओहो. Matte wax for matte paint, plastic and carbon. It's for my bike. My bike is matte black. Love the polish. Polish करना तो बनता है. And the most important part and the last part in this box is this. I've got two boxes, or I should say two cans of Putolin Ester Tech Syntec 4 Plus. So let me open this for you. So guys, आप लोग ने देखा कि बॉक्स में क्या क्या आया था. So we have got 2 cans of the engine oil. We have got a matte wax. We've got a tech chain, which is a ceramic chain wax, and we've got DX11 chain spray. Let me show it to you. So this is it. This is the DX11 chain spray. These are 2 cans of Ester Tech Syntec 4 Plus 15W50. Then we have got a matte wax, which is this one. ये अपने surface के लिए सही रहेगा. My Himalayan has a matte paint, so this will be good. And we've got a tech chain ceramic wax chain wax non-fling formula. So basically saying if I go on road off road दोनों में भी सही चलने वाला है. So ये सब चीज़ें यूज़फुल होती है once you go on a long ride. So now comes the question कि why 15W50. So 15W50 इसीलिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं because 15W50 is a good grade oil. Basically you can say it is apt for the engine, so that our engine doesn't as per our temperatures in India ये एकदम सही बैठता है. ये ग्रेड का ऑयल एकदम सही बैठता है. And last time I was using a semi-synthetic oil from Maxima Oils, which you guys must have already seen a post that I did on my Instagram. But now this time I thought why not go for something fully synthetic. तो मैंने सोचा कि इस ऑयल के लिए जाते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ अ न्यू this is something new which I'll be using, Putolin motorcycle oils. So and like I said, the support has come from Bay City Speed Shop. Once again, big thanks to Bay City Speed Shop for sending me these products and believing in me with your products. And yeah, of course, like I said, I'll be testing these on my bike. And of course मैं जब टेस्ट करूँगा, once I complete the ride, only then I'll be able to give the review of how the oil performed, how was the overall performance of the bike, etc, etc. So yeah, so with that said, I think it is a big major step that I'm about to take. I'm taking this solo journey all the way from Mumbai straight to Assam. This is in the I think in the upper parts of Assam, if I'm not wrong. तो वहाँ तक जाना will not be easy. Of course, a lot of things come into action. तो वो सब तो next vlog में हम discuss करेंगे when I am getting the bike serviced. Now where am I getting serviced? is yet another surprise for you guys. तो basically सरप्राइज जैसा नहीं है, but I'm going to an old friend of mine who has a new workshop that he has opened up very recent, I mean recently खोला हुआ है, and he does all the work for all the bikes, and हम लोग वहाँ पे जाएंगे and we'll get the bike serviced. तो वो सेकेंड पार्ट में होगा, दैट बी अ पार्ट 2 फॉर द व्लॉग. ये वाले भाग में बस मैं ये बताना चाहता था कि आई एम ट्राइंग टू get the bike prepped up for this big long ride that I'm about to take. And since I'm changing the engine oils, yes, there is a chance that I will also change the brake oils, the fork oil. I am also waiting for my air filter that is about to come. I have ordered my air filter, उसका DIY वीडियो अलग से होगा. I know बहुत सारे DIY वीडियोज़ होते हैं, पर मुझे मेरे बाइक पे DIY वीडियो करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So if you are watching this, watch that also please. Anyway, so with that said, it was great having these products come to me. एक बहुत अच्छा लगता है when something like this happens, and it feels good when your bike receives the best products in the market. So I'll be putting their link in the description. Please go to their website, order whatever, and I mean anything that you require for your bike. These people have got the best products on their shelf actually. And in terms of oils, Butylin is very good in the market, and definitely doing very well. And you can always order from Bay City Speed Shop. Like I said, I'll be giving the description link downstairs. And yeah, I think I've covered pretty much it for this vlog. So if you guys have enjoyed this vlog till here, please definitely give me a like, subscribe अगर आप subscriber नहीं है तो. It feels good, so that we have got good number of subscribers. The channel grows, and it's going to be even more fun to make more such good videos for you guys. और अगर इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हो तो प्लीज़ फॉलो @theridingbawa. You are going to get some good content coming on Instagram. And with that said, always be safe, get vaccinated. I got vaccinated yesterday. Yeah, I forgot to tell you that I got vaccinated yesterday. Good experience, no side effects, zero side effects till now. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I am actually vlogging right now. That shows कि मेरे ऊपर कोई भी ऐसा side effect जैसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है. So yeah, so it was pretty good. बहुत ही smooth experience रहा. I went to Mahim and I got myself vaccinated. It was a great experience, smooth sailing. कोविन पे register किया, we got the slot, we went there, we got vaccinated, and सब कुछ अच्छे से हो गया. It was pretty good. I got the digital certificate. So yeah, so get yourself vaccinated if you guys need to travel. अगर हम bikers को travel करना है तो I think the basic thing is you get yourself vaccinated, because that is going to help you in your travels. Because अभी PTC I mean वो PTCR test तो नहीं होता. So RT-PCR, sorry, my mistake. So RT-PCR टेस्ट नहीं होता. एंड और क्या बोलना था. सो आई थिंक आई कवर्ड प्रिटी मच इट. सो ये व्लॉग में आई हैव गॉट दीज प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई हैव विथ मी. I'll be using them, I'll be testing them on the bike, and I'll be making a separate vlog on the service of the bike. So guys, don't worry, मैं सब cover कर दूँगा. The only thing is I need your support. I need all of your blessings, your love and everything, so that I can do better than what I'm actually doing right now. So with that said, take care guys, be safe, safe, ride responsibly, always wear a mask when in public, maintain social distance, and yeah, so take care. See you guys in the next vlog.